Okay, hi and welcome to another Ben Golding Guitar Masterclass. Okay, today we're having a look at an absolute classic bit of 80s for you from the fabulous Mr. Elton John. Yes, it is the wonderful I'm Still Standing. Okay, this is a little bit more towards intermediate, I guess, but it shouldn't give you too many problems. And if you are starting out, it might be a bit of a challenge for you, which is great, just to take it a bit slower and practice it a bit more. But about an intermediate level for this one. Okay, as always, what I'm going to do is give you the chords we need with screenshots, and hopefully you'll be okay with them. But like I keep saying, if any of them are difficult, just pause the video and try going between the chords nice and slowly and build up some speed. Okay, but the chords we will need for this song are just A. We are going to need D. We will need an E, okay, and we will need a B minor, and we will also need an F sharp minor. Okay, on top of that we need an A minor, we will need an E minor, we will need a D minor, and we will need an F, and we will need a G. Okay, so practice those if you need to tighten up the chords a little bit, but if you're comfortable with all those chords, let's get straight on. Okay, and the chord arrangements will come up on the screen, the different sections, okay, and also I'm going to hum the melody as best as I can, okay, and also call out the chords as I change from one to the other, so hopefully we'll be able to jam along and practice this one together. And just to let you know, the wonderful Elton John version of this song would be with a capo on the first fret. If you want to play with the Elton John version, it would be a capo on the first fret, but we're going to keep it nice and straightforward and just play it without a capo, just completely open. Okay, so are you ready with the intro section now? Ready with that A minor? Okay, and here we go. So we've got A minor, D minor and E major, and then quick change F, G, A minor, and D minor and E major, G, and then to the verse, and we have got A, 2, 3, 4, D, and E, and then back to A again, B minor and to D, and F sharp minor D, and back to A again. Okay, let's do another verse, start again, A, 2, 3, 4, D, and E, and then back to A again. B minor, D, and F sharp minor D, and back to A again. Okay, and that leads us nicely to the chorus section. So are you ready with your A minor? And here we go, and A minor, do, then E minor, then a D minor, and to F, and then G, and then A minor, then E minor, then a D minor, and to E, 'cause I'm still A minor, D minor, E, 'cause I'm still A minor, D minor, E, and then F, G, and then back to the verse section again, A, 2, 3, 4, D, and E, 2, 3, 4, and A again, B minor, D, and F sharp minor D, and back to A. Okay, leading us to a chorus. You ready? With A minor and A minor, D, E minor, D minor, F, and then G, and then A minor, E minor, then to D minor, E Okay, and then when you do get towards the end as well, the fade out, the outro is exactly the same as that intro again. It just keeps repeating the A minor, D minor, and an E. 'Cause I'm still standing, A minor, D minor, E. 'Cause I'm still standing, A minor, D minor, E. Just right to the fade out, right till the song ends there. And also the guitar solo, the fabulous guitar solo in this one is over the verse chords. Okay, so that's everything for that tune. Classic bit of 80s music there from Elton John. Practice it, it'll sound great. Do a little bit of a better job with the singing than I did right there. But all the best to you, and I'll see you again soon for more easy-ish guitar songs with Ben Golden Guitar. All the best, thank you.